What's this?
How you doing, Stan the man?
I'm doing ready to go catch some fish.
You're gonna get some cats today, eh?
I hope so.
Yeah, buddy. Josh ain't here to catch them all, so we're gonna get them, right? You.
We get a chance anyway.
All right, y'all. Stan got him on a fish. You doggy guys. I was trying to make some food, and this cat took off with my freaking rod, man.
That's about 2 or 3 pounder, isn't he?
Yeah, it's probably a 3-pounder, guys.
Huh?
Ew! Catfish for dinner tonight.
I bet he's tired though after he's working.
Stan the man just caught another little one. Yeah, doggy. Alright, guys. It's almost 12 o'clock at night. We got 10 catfish, probably about 10 pounds worth. Probably gonna be heading in pretty soon. It's been a heck of a catfishing night tonight. Just laid them up. Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, there's the first baby catfish all skinned. We're just gonna leave him whole because if we fillet him, he'll be so small that won't be much meat left. We got one baby catfish. First things first, chop off those fins that might poke you. And then put your fingers in his gill plate like that. There's 2 little bones on each side right here. See that bone sticking out? That bone right there, you're gonna grab a hold of it, pull it back. That's gonna get you started on skinning that catfish. Same thing on that side. Wow. You just got a piece on the top here we might be able to pull back. Alright, then you got a skinned baby catfish. Take the knife, cut off his head, right behind his plates there. And cut him. And then I'm gonna go wash them. Alright, y'all, 3 baby catfish. Alright, here we go. We got our catfish. We're gonna do one on the grill and some fried with some cornmeal and flour. Half cornmeal, half flour. So for the ones that are going on the grill, I'm just gonna throw a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, and that's gonna be it. Just gonna throw them on the smoker and go. Got my grandma over and she can't have too much seasoning, so I'm gonna be light on these ones. Alright, y'all, let's open up this baby and get these suckers on the grill. Okay, we got a pan in there with I melted some butter in it. So we're gonna go ahead and put that sucker down in the butter. That one all buttered up. Ew, some catfish. Alright, let's see how them babies do. Alright guys, the oil is about warm enough to get going. We're going to go ahead and I took some catfish, cut them up into smaller chunks. And go ahead and dip them in some eggs. So let's go ahead and throw all them babies in there. And I did dry out the catfish a little bit. It's good if you like damp it dry with a cloth or napkin or whatever. But throw our chunks of catfish in there. Yeah. And then a good egg bath. Okay. Now we got, this is half flour and half cornmeal. Okay. And we're going to take those catfish, throw them in the flour and cornmeal now. Put a couple pieces in there, go ahead and give them a toss. Pieces. That's all those ones. So those tossed. A little shake and bake, baby. All right. Now let's see, hopefully this oil's hot enough here. Let's see if it gives us a sizzle. Alright y'all. I think we're ready to flip these catfish. Let's see. Never done catfish on the smoker yet. This is the first time on the smoker, so. Yeah, it's looking good. I don't want to be in the shot. It's an action shot. It's not about me. It's about the cooking. Alright. Go ahead and take the rest of these catfish and throw them on in, get them sizzling. My pan here, I can probably only do about 3 at a time, so. Yeah. Cook up those 3. Get back to you. Show them how they're looking. They're gonna come out pretty golden brown. Ew. All right, guys. Gonna go ahead and take these catfish out. Oh yeah, look at that puppy. Gonna be good eating right there. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the ones cooked on the grill, get the rest of these cooked up. We'll get back to you with the taste test. Alright y'all, catfish is looking great on the grill. Looks done. Let's get it. Phew, it's gonna be good. Alright y'all, got my little brother Brian here. He's gonna be our taste tester. He's gonna tell us what he thinks of the grilled one and what he thinks of the fried one. Alright, go ahead and have a taste, buddy.
Good.
Pretty good?
It's a little bit like jerky.
Yeah.
Without the texture. There's good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Which way do you prefer? The grill or fried?
I mean, I like this more.
You like the grill
Because
better?
I don't like the burn, like all the burger.
Alright.
But I'll still eat it.
Alright y'all, that's you got it from Brian first. He likes it. 10 out of 10. Check it out.